A former Battle Creek doctor is accused of performing unnecessary procedures and surgeries. He's now facing a long list of federal charges.
News 8's Kyle Mitchell spoke with one of his patients, all new tonight.
Dr. Daniel Castro is facing 34 charges of healthcare fraud. One of his former patients says he's still feeling the effects of unnecessary surgeries he received here at Bronson Battle Creek.
I was actually there for my ears because I kept getting ear infections.
A former patient of Dr. Daniel Castro spoke with News 8 about the series of procedures he had at the ear, nose, and throat clinic inside Bronson Battle Creek Hospital.
He ended up putting tubes in my ears, and then he wanted to do sinus surgery.
The man didn't want us to use his name, but says he has since learned almost all were not necessary.
I ended up having 10 surgeries. Bronson ended up voting that 9 of the 10 were unnecessary.
Dr. Castro is accused of performing a type of neck surgery that is only supposed to be used on cancer patients, on people who did not have cancer. Court documents say the doctor, who now lives in Texas, falsified medical records and defrauded Medicare. The former patient we spoke with says the procedures have made a lasting impact.
I feel like I have a lot more sinus problems now and getting sick and stuff.
In a statement, Bronson Healthcare says, quote, Dr. Daniel Castro was employed by Bronson Battle Creek Hospital from February 2015 until May 2017. We have fully cooperated with the investigation and case being brought by the U.S. Attorney's Office in Grand Rapids. The patient says while his conditions aren't as serious as others treated by the doctor, he's hopeful Dr. Castro will be convicted.
I felt like he's supposed to be your doctor. That's supposed to be somebody you can trust. And if you can't trust your doctor, who can you trust? I hope he ends up getting in the trouble that he deserves, because he ruined a lot of people's lives.
Castro's first court hearing is scheduled for February 22nd. In Battle Creek, Kyle Mitchell, News 8.